Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Back up your iPhone now, install Honista, and grant the keyboard and developer permissions it requests. Once done, place the Emoji pack file where Honista can access it, Files app, iCloud Drive, or local storage. You need the pack-in, PLIST or JSON format. This is how Honista maps Unicode to new glyphs. Make sure your iOS version is supported by Honista, then open the app and move on to importing. You import the emoji pack inside Honista and confirm the parser finds all entries. If a file fails, re-export it cleanly and retry. Once imported, map Unicode codes to the replacement glyphs, tap each entry and choose the new image or glyph, then preview it. Make sure you also configure the keyboard layout inside Honista and enable the custom emoji keyboard in iOS settings so that the system can present your new icons. Save changes, and you now apply the changes and test them immediately in Messages, Notes, and apps that use the system keyboard so you can verify appearance and alignment. If emojis don't display, reboot the device and reopen Honista to reapply the mappings. Corrupted entries should be re-imported from your original file. If problems persist, switch back to the stock keyboard or restore from your backup. This returns your emoji to factory defaults while you troubleshoot further.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.